The Maserati Levante is a tragedy of automotive neglect. This SUV is officially being discontinued, and that cancelled status is the final nail in its coffin. When a manufacturer kills a model without a direct successor, parts availability becomes a concern and interest vanishes. The Levante was always a confused product. It houses a Ferrari-derived engine that sounds incredible, but it is wrapped in an interior full of parts, bin sharing. The window switches, headlight knobs, and infotainment architecture are lifted directly from Chrysler and Dodge products. Buyers in the used market of 2026 will not pay premium prices for an interior that feels like a rental car. Mechanically, the air suspension system is a known weak point, with repairs costing thousands of dollars per corner. The V6 engine, while potent, requires meticulous and expensive maintenance. By 2026, the Levante will be an orphan car. It is too expensive to maintain for a budget buyer, and too outdated and cheap, feeling for a luxury buyer. It sits in a no-man's land of value where the only way to sell it is to practically give it away. Verdict: discontinued status and ruinous maintenance costs equals zero demand.